हे गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून। सभी को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बड़ा नमस्ते। तो मुझे एक बहुत ही बढ़िया भाई साहब मिल गया और आपके लिए बहुत बढ़िया गाड़ी मिली हुई है, तो उसका रिव्यू करते हैं। होप ये वीडियो आप लोग को पसंद आए। ये रिव्यू होने वाला है जो हेक्सा आई थी ना, हेक्सा का मम्मी या पापा बोलेंगे, आर्या का रिव्यू होने वाला है। एंड मीट आकाश भाई। हेलो आकाश भाई।
हाय भाई।
और थोड़ा बहुत अपने बारे में बता दीजिएगा। गाड़ी का रिव्यू शुरू करने से पहले अपने बारे में बता दीजिएगा।
I'm actually in Merchant Navy. I'm staying in Ghaziabad, and I've been driving this car for almost 9 years now. And God's grace, abhi tak I'm quite happy with the performance. I wanted to change the car somewhere in between about 4-5 years ago, but then I decided to let's go through till the 10 years because I will be completing 10 years in November 22 next year. So I thought, okay, let's complete those 10 years, then we'll see what we can do best. Only good thing is actually about the ride quality. I tried other cars, but then I could not convince my mind कि चलो change कर लेते हैं. So finally I'm still sticking to it.
लेकिन एक बात बताइए,
हाँ जी,
लोगों के दिमाग में ना बहुत सारा टेंशन रहता है। लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट हैप्पी विद टाटा। राइट नाउ दे हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट, लेकिन ये हम बात कर रहे हैं बैक इन 2011। तो आपने टाटा की गाड़ी उस समय जब बहुत सारे निगल्स इश्यूज रहते थे, आपने मतलब किस हिसाब से चूज की, क्या R&D की थी आपने?
Actually, when I bought this car, I was trying to buy the Endeavour. That time वो Endeavour का पुराना मॉडल था, not this one. And I was comparing between Endeavour and Fortuner. And my dad knew one of the manager of the showroom here, Tata का showroom में. I was in Noida with my friends and he said कि वहाँ पे एक कार है, you go and take a test drive. I asked him कौन सी कार है, he said टाटा की गाड़ी है आर्या। तो मैंने बोला कि अरे आर्या कौन लेगा, आपको किसने बोला? उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं वो मेरे फ्रेंड है, just go and take a test drive. So we all 3 friends went there, we took a test ride, and the moment we took a test ride, we knew this is the car.
And that is back in 2011, right? उस समय he liked the performance and test drive of this car, that's why he bought it. एंड बहुतों को शायद ये पता नहीं होगा, दिस इज़ ए लेजेंड। आर्या चली नहीं, लेकिन हेक्सा इसी पे बेस्ड थी। जितने आर्या यूजर से आप बात करोगे ना, तो दे आर हैप्पी। ठीक है, तो मैं भी आकाश जी से ऑल आस्क हिम पूरा जो परफॉर्मेंस है और रेटिंग के हिसाब से गाड़ी की, सर्विस की, सब मैं इनसे जानने की कोशिश करूँगा। सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट तो यही था कि 2011 में टाटा ली, हेड्स ऑफ। एंड उससे पहले कौन सी गाड़ियाँ, which cars were you driving before Arya?
I was driving a hatchback before it, Maruti 800, and I wanted a second car for my touring, basically. So, and then I came up with Arya, and till now I have 2 small cars. One more I bought, that's the automatic Celerio that I bought for daily traffic especially, and then this. It's solving my purpose till now, the touring and highway cruising and all this.
Wonderful, 9 long years with Arya, and अब इसका एक्सपायरी होने वाला है NCR में। तो जो इसका नेक्स्ट एस्पिरेशन है ना, वो आकाश जी से पूछ लेते हैं। ये गाड़ी तो निकल जाएगी, उसके बाद बड़ी गाड़ी लोगे या नहीं लोगे?
Yes, I will go for a big car. I will need a big car. But again, जब से मैंने इसको ड्राइव किया, I tried driving Endeavour and Fortuner. But now I'm not getting down to those. So probably I'll go with another Tata car, mostly the new Safari maybe. Or I took a test drive of Harrier. I like that also.
So when did you take the test drive?
It's I think one and a half year back.
1.5 year back.
The time I took a test drive.
So how did you find it?
Harrier is good. Harrier is good. It's something जो लोगों के मन में टाटा की इमेज थी. These cars are not from that image.
Absolutely wonderful.
It's not the same Tata anymore.
Same Tata anymore. Yeah. So your aspiration is maybe you will go with Safari or Harrier something. Yeah. और आप Endeavour और जो Fortuner है वो इसलिए उसको हटाना चाहते हैं because of the ride quality, the plush.
Only thing I see is the ride quality. They could be more dashing than the Arya or something. They might have more off-roading capability, but see the quality you get, the ride quality, the comfort you get, it's amazing. Okay.
And apart from that, let's ask about the performance. Total overall, if you have to rate this car out of 10, how much would you rate?
It's almost 9. The 1 point goes because of the service
Oh
experience.
gosh, I was about to come to that point. If you have to rate service out of 10, how much would you rate
will
it?
be less. It will be maybe somewhere between 6 and 7.
6. Yeah, that's really not up to the mark.
Yes.
The dealership experience, suppose you have to buy a car, you go to the dealership. If you don't get a good response, you will not buy car,
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. You don't. Sometimes it's not only the job, the repair.
Mhm.
Sometimes it's the attitude of the person doing it.
Absolutely.
You have to stand there. You are spending money, but
Mhm.
still you are not convinced.
Absolutely.
That pinches sometimes.
Tell me one thing. You bought this car in 2011,
Yes.
right? The long, it's a way back.
Yeah.
Do you see any improvement in the service from 2011 to 2021?
They have improved. They
Hmm.
have improved actually, but still not
Up to the mark.
par with the market with other companies. But yeah, if you compare top के time से अब तक, they have actually improved.
Thank you, Akash ji.
And there is scope.
I have the same opinion. I say that okay, it has improved when I talk to a lot of people, but it is not up to the mark, right?
Yeah. Special feeling. You won't believe. I have had incidents where I was just standing. I'm from Meerut basically. I
Mhm.
was standing in a market, and I was waiting for my wife, and there came a guy. उसने नॉक किया विंडो पे. I thought he's going to ask something. He said, भाई साहब ये आर्या आप कब से चला रहे हो?
Oh gosh.
बोला 3 साल कुछ हो गए.
Uh-huh.
अच्छा भाई साहब एक बार बैठ के देखूं.
How much kilometers have you driven till now?
It's almost 76,500.
Tell us what is the pros and cons of this car?
Pros. First, let's talk about the pros.
Mhm.
Of course, the first thing, the ride quality,
Mm-hmm.
the driving confidence you get.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Engine initially, of course, when it was launched, the performance was amazing. It
Mhm.
was something. When I went for the test driving, the salesman which was with me, the first thing he said, "किस तरह आप engine check कीजिए." And he took off the car in almost 5 to 6 kilometer was the speed,
Mhm.
and he took off the car in third gear.
Oh.
And he said, "You won't hear that sound, cut." The ride quality and the best is, it's the pulling power of this car.
Rear wheel drive.
Fourth and fifth gear are like, you just sit back and relax. It pulls up like anything.
Hmm.
And of course, rear wheel drive gives a different
Yeah,
driving
absolutely.
experience.
Yeah. When Aria was there in the market, nobody cared.
Nobody cared, yeah.
Now it's not in the market. A lot of people ask about Aria.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's the only difference. Thank you so much. And what are the cons?
Cons are, you will find about what I said before, the service experience.
Mhm.
That is one of the major things. And another cons could be if you are planning to resell the vehicle,
Mhm.
you won't have that much resale value.
Absolutely, yeah. Thank you so much, Akash. One more question, the last question most probably. If you have to tell Tata, what are the things they need to improve on? What would they be?
I think they need to do something about the service network.
Mm-hmm.
The service network, the people they are employing.
Mm-hmm.
I understand they are basically, on the lowest side of the organization, but they still need to do something about their training.
Absolutely.
Because see, same people on the same level in other private companies, they're doing better.
Absolutely.
That means they can also do better.
You're right. I have the same feeling, right? If you talk about Volkswagen, if you talk about Ford, if you talk about Hyundai, aren't they doing better?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
And I'm pretty sure there would be somebody in leadership who is earning a lot of money, right?
Yes.
Yeah, salary.
Yes.
So they have to go ahead and do the R&D in the market and see what Ford is doing, what Hyundai is doing, and implement the same thing. You don't have to do anything, just copy and paste. Isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
They are not doing it, so that is my biggest concern of Tata, and that's a big feedback of Tata. So with this, thank you so much, guys. Please be safe, be humble, be polite, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye bye.